as it is for the ecosystem. So, madam, the growing use of pesticide today in our country has resulted that where these pesticides are used, it is proven that over 90% of the pesticide gets mixed in the soil and the water and contaminating the entire water bodies as well as the soil. And this is also one of the reasons for the rising cases of cancer that is spreading in our country. Madam, in my state, in the Malwa belt of Punjab, it is found that the pesticide in the blood samples of the farmers is so much higher than anywhere else in the world. In fact, even the milk of lactating mothers has residues of pesticide. There are uranium contents in the hair of children as well. So all this indiscriminate use of pesticide and no control over it is leading to hazardous problems in the health of humans. It is that also the flora and the fauna and the entire ecosystem is getting spoiled. Madam, I would like to know through the government that this rising hazardous sense of all these diseases which are being caused and indiscriminate use which is leading to the flora, fauna and ecosystem being harmed, there is obviously no body which is looking into the indiscriminate use and the harmful side effects, and if there is a body, it is obviously not being implemented the way it needs to be implemented. I would like to know from the government that I just want to know from the government that do they plan to have some dedicated body which looks into the legislation and strict implementation of laws and which creates some awareness at the ground level for the farmers to realize the side effects, and will they ensure the implementation of these laws and of this body so that for the future these things can be arrested and we do not have to face the harmful effects.
Madam, honourable members raised a very important question, and honourable members absolutely right that the indiscriminate use of pesticides and weedicides does lead to tremendous health and environment hazards all over the country. Honourable member referred to the Malwa region of Punjab. We actually have the details for the Malwa region itself, and I'd like to inform the honourable member, madam, that the Punjab Agriculture University had collected samples of food in the Malwa region, and out of a total of 162 vegetable samples, residues over the permissible limit were detected in 5. Groundwater samples, wheat flour samples. Although the extent is not as much as the honourable member says, there was considerable pesticide leading to health hazards in this area. Madam, this is the issue of weedicides and pesticides is something which is a cross-cutting issue. It's not just the Ministry of Environment which is responsible for this. It is something that is concerned with the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Environment. However, government does not leave it to chance. While the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, they strictly monitor those pesticides which are allowed to be registered and used in the country. It is actually the Ministry of Health that monitors the health, whereas the Ministry of Environment looks at the water samples, looks at the groundwater, and looks at how this contamination happens. For example, monitoring of pesticides in surface water is conducted in 10 states, groundwater is monitored in 7 states, and the water quality monitoring is carried out in 2,500 stations in 28 states all over the country. Efforts being taken by government to prevent this is the use of biopesticides and a new concept called integrated pest management, which encourages the use of biopesticides and firmly rejects and phases down the use of harmful pesticides as referred to by the honourable member.
The House stands adjourned to meet again at 11:20 a.m.